If you don't like getting lost in thought, but still wonder about time, then join us on this fascinating journey. St. Augustine said, "If no one asks me, I know what it is. If I wish to explain to him who asks, I don't know." Time is an elusive concept. We live it, we feel it, but understanding it, that's a whole different game. Albert Einstein changed the game with his theory of relativity, connecting space and time in ways that boggle the mind. Imagine the universe as a giant stage where every event from colliding particles to your morning coffee is just a point in spacetime. But why do we remember the past and not the future? The answer lies in entropy. As the universe expands, it moves from order to disorder. This one-way street is what we call the arrow of time. Yet on a quantum level, time doesn't flow like we think. Physicists like Lee Smolin suggest that reality is a web of evolving relationships, not things in space. And get this, some theories propose that time itself emerges from quantum entanglement. So next time you glance at the clock, remember, it's more than just ticking seconds. It's a glimpse into the cosmic dance of the universe. Stay curious and keep questioning. This script aims to make the complex concept of time engaging and accessible while maintaining a sense of wonder and curiosity. Time, as we perceive it, is a linear progression. We see it as a straight line moving from the past, through the present, and into the future. But is that really the case? Ancient philosophers and modern scientists alike have pondered this question. The ancient Greeks had two words for time: chronos and kairos. Chronos refers to chronological or sequential time, the kind we measure with clocks and calendars. Kairos, on the other hand, signifies the right or opportune moment, a more qualitative aspect of time. Think about those moments in life that seem to stand still, where time feels almost suspended. These are kairos moments, where the quality of the experience transcends the ticking of the clock. Sir Isaac Newton viewed time as absolute, a constant flow that exists independently of any observer. This view held sway for centuries until Einstein came along and turned it on its head. Einstein's theory of relativity introduced the idea that time is relative, not absolute. It can stretch and contract depending on the speed at which an observer is moving and the gravitational field they are in. This was a revolutionary concept that changed our understanding of the universe. Imagine a black hole, a region of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Near a black hole, time slows down dramatically compared to a region far away from it. This phenomenon, known as time dilation, has been confirmed by numerous experiments. Consider the famous twin paradox. If one twin travels into space at near the speed of light while the other stays on Earth, the traveling twin would age more slowly. When they reunite, the spacefaring twin would be younger than their Earth-bound sibling. This isn't science fiction, it's a consequence of Einstein's relativity. But the mysteries of time don't end with relativity. Enter the quantum realm, where particles can exist in multiple states at once and can be entangled across vast distances. Here the concept of time becomes even more perplexing. In the quantum world, time doesn't flow in a straightforward manner. Some theories suggest that at the smallest scales time might not even exist as we know it. Instead, it could be an emergent property arising from more fundamental processes. This brings us to the philosophical implications of time. If time is an emergent property, what does that say about our perception of reality? Are past, present, and future merely constructs of our consciousness? Philosophers have long debated whether time is a fundamental aspect of the universe or a human invention. Some argue that time is a mental construct, a way for our brains to make sense of the world around us. Think about your memories. They are snapshots of the past, stored in your brain. But how reliable are they? Neuroscience tells us that our memories are not perfect records. They can be influenced by emotions, altered by new information, and even fabricated. Our perception of time is closely linked to how our brains process information. When we are engaged in a new or challenging activity, time seems to slow down. Conversely, when we are bored or doing something repetitive, time seems to speed up. This subjective experience of time is known as time perception, and it varies from person to person and moment to moment. It's influenced by numerous factors, including attention, emotion, and even age. For instance, children often feel that time moves slowly because everything is new and exciting. As we age, our perception of time speeds up because we have fewer novel experiences and more routines. Practices like mindfulness and meditation can alter our perception of time. By focusing on the present moment, we can stretch our experience of time, making it feel richer and more expansive. So what can we take away from all this? Time is a complex and multifaceted concept that touches every aspect of our lives. It's a physical phenomenon, a psychological experience, and a philosophical puzzle, all rolled into one. The next time you find yourself pondering the nature of time, remember that you're in good company. From ancient philosophers to modern scientists, humanity has always been fascinated by this cosmic mystery, and who knows, perhaps one day, we'll unlock the secrets of time and gain a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. Until then, let's continue to explore, question, and marvel at the wonders of time. After all, it's one of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Stay curious, and keep questioning the world around you. Who knows what you might discover next?